Good morning. I'm Tushar from the Seeker's Mat. Let's begin our day with a short meditation to cultivate clarity and presence. Find a comfortable seat, either cross legged or on a chair. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Now gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensation, areas of tension or ease. Allow your body to relax with each exhale. Now shift your focus to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. And then exhale gently through your mouth. Continue this rhythm, anchoring your awareness to each breath. Reflect on your intention for the day. It could be a quality like patience, focus, or kindness. Visualize embodying this intention throughout your day. Gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of mindfulness into your daily activities.